We say officially, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the tune of game against between the two games of Kasap and Recap Academy Incorporated. At eto na nga po mga kaibigan, first possession na mapupunta sa Recap. From the offensive coming in from Enriquez Jr. Binigay kay Salvacion mula sa corner. A quick transition from number 12. And first turnover kagad ang sa Recap mga kaibigan. Kasap na makakuha ng first possession. Ay na, sumigaw na ang depensa ng mga home court mula dito sa Recap. Now from Bukaban, binigay kay Labrador, and good pass to Mora, and easy basket. First points para sa Kasa. Salvacion onto the outside, pass to Baracha. Enriquez, onto the corner for three. First dagger is no good, and good rebound by Enriquez. And comes a foul on first personal foul from Javen Monterola. 11 seconds on the shot clock mga kaibigan. First team foul para sa Kasa. Number 12, get inside of the ball. Good screen by De Jesus. Napakagandang pero open mula sa baseline again. No good. Still rebound on Labrador. Labrador and pass to Pukaban. Open and wide and for three, and it's good. First stagger three from Pukaban. 5-0 from Kasa. Number 12 and pass to Ilaran. Open up with Jesus. Traveling violation. They call a whistle from Recap. Look at the intentional play. It's a 2 out of 3 defense zone mula dito sa Recap. Mora on the Labrador. Pass again on Pukaban. But intentional call of blocking foul from Jesus. First team foul para sa Recap. 14 seconds on the shot clock. Kasap will get to this possession. Pukaban again for 3. Monterola with the second chance on the layup. No good. Now on Recap. Larban. All the way to Jesus inside. On the post. Finds Salvacion. No. Pukaban with the rebound. It's a 2-3-2 pass break. Labrador with the open and it's got it. 7-0 nothing para dito sa Kasap. Ilaban. On to Salvacion. Enriquez. Jesus on the outside. Akara with the foul on Pukaban. And sorry to call na Jiro Labrador. It's the second team foul para sa Kasap mga kaibigan. Tarong Gilaban. On to 5 seconds to shoot. Salvacion. Good drop pass. All the way to inside and it's good. Nakabawi din ng gandang play mula dito sa Recap. Tamon Monterola. All the way coming in from Labrador. On to the corner. Pukaban again. Bang! Two out of 3 3-point field goals para sa Kasap mga kaibigan. Pero Pukaban, hindi pa makakuha ng interception, but there's no open. And Parka and Monterola with guns at some ball. And it's turned out on timeout mula dito sa Recap. It is score of 10-2 mga kaibigan. Ganda ng one play sa Kasap. Magbabalik tayo. Sira yung kabilang ako. Ito na yung araw. Ito.
Oh. Your morning eyes, I could stare like watching stars.
Tingnan mo na. Still back to the ball game, mga kaibigan. Pasap will get to this possession. Ang sa ating tune-up game. Labrador. Ito po ka ba? Enjoy catch and shoot. Rebound mula sa recap. All the way to Abacha to Enriquez. Enriquez finds the isolation three. All the way to the baseline. Enriquez and shoots it by Labrador. It's a 2v2. Labrador will pass the ball to Ola. Ang kanila pwede mula sa ilalim but it turns out a whistle foul call from Enriquez. Second team foul from Recap and Casap will get to this possession. Labrador pass. Pugaban again with a catch and shoot. No good. Kailangan on to the fast break. Abacha, no good. Abacha, may nagdama agad ang pasa. Medyo makalat ang depensa ng Recap dito, mga kaibigan. Labrador turns to Pugaban. Kaya nakuha mula dito kaya Negras. And Kailangan with the spin. Kailangan on the shot. And it's good. Good run tayo ngayon para sa Recap, mga kaibigan. 4-point gap ang sa Casap. Now on Bukaban. Open on inside. Not good. But it turns a loose ball foul call on Kenji Mora. 13 foul on Casap. Three dito, 2. I mean, team fouls. Abacha. All the way to Kilaran. Kilaran pala sa gilid. But the referee call a 3 seconds violation mula sa ilalim and turnover again para sa Recap. Labrador dribbling the ball on the outside and pass to Monterola. Sukaban. Labrador sasalaksak and good drop pass to Mora and a good drive and rebound coming in from Baracha. Kinaman. All pass to Enriquez. All the way to Kinaman. Salvacion on the baseline. Bang! 1 point lead para sa Casap. Naman Monterola. On to the jump shot. No good. It is the all-10 efficient score, mga kaibigan. Now coming to go to Baracha. And a good try by the Gamit. Laban na po ang Recap, mga kaibigan. Bukaban, it takes a double team. Sinigay kay Labrador. Labrador with a jelly. But it turns out with a foul on Baracha. Substitution on Casap. It is a 12-10 official score, mga kaibigan. Labang po ang dalawang Recap. Achieve Labrador with 2 attempts on the free throw line. Labrador missed on the first. Gandang initan dito ang matchup ng two teams, mga kaibigan, sa tune-up game. But turns out on Labrador, there's a second chance to take out. It is Gamit. 1-point gap on Recap. It is 11-12 official score. Hernandez. All the way on number 15. Takes it up on the baseline. It's too short. Pero napakagad ang box out ng makeup dito mga kaibigan. Is this on Francisco to take the managing of this gameplay from nasa ilalim? But Monterola, he shifts the ball past the Labrador. Naghahanap ng isolation play. Coming in from Pugaban. And it's a 9-second shot clock remaining. Monterola, drive it up. And it's not a rebound. And Monterola secures the ball, trying to attempt the releases, and it's the foul on number 5. And it's 13th foul para sa recap. Two shooting free throws coming in from Javen Monterola. Monterola is got it. And it's a tie game. Second chance from Javen Monterola. Got it. 1 point lead on Casa. And it's a substitution. Jansen Chapacho is checking, and Ramos is checking from Casa, and Jimmy Labrador is out. Sanchez. Sanchez with a good drive, and it's counted. First and 1. What a good play from Sanchez. And a foul call from Javen Monterola. He's got the 14th foul on Casa. Now he's got it. Sanchez onto the bonus shot. Sanchez will get on the free throw line. Ang pang namang mula dito sa recap. No! And it's the last touch on recap, and Casa will get the dispossession. Tama po, 14-13. Now on recap will take a chance. It's good the post move. Sanchez with a good block coming in from Monterola. Ramos, good job, and still too short. Tama muna sa recap. Carlos. That's it on Tamayo. Monterola, tama nakaabang ng depensa. All the way to onto the baseline. Hernandez, napakagat ang drop. And Sanchez again with the foul. It's a substitution from Casap, and Alomo is turning to chicken. Outside to the 2 free throws from Sanchez. Sanchez will short. At grabe naman dito ang pinakita ng Rica mga kaibigan. 2 consecutives on offensive rebound mula dito kay Sanchez, pero nakakuha siya ng advantage to take this free throw. But look at this. Aloro and Hernandez. We're matching in back Selkin. Takes it out. Carlos. Pass on the baseline and drop it. No. Carlos again with another rebound. Now on Carlos with the drive on the base. No. Number 10. Drop it. Francisco again with the second chance. Grabe ang gandang depensa ni Monterola dito mga kaibigan. Then, recap again with another shot. Now onto the baseline once again. Francisco. Good post. Good spin. And they got it. Tatlo po ang lamang sa recap mga kaibigan. Papasyo. On to Monterola. Monterola with behind the back dribbling. And 2 miss on the shot in the turnover para sa Casa. Kenji Mora is checking from Renz Pabalos. Pablos. Pass to Hernandez. All the way to Sanchez. Francisco for 3. Bang! Now takes it. Papasyo with the pass fake. And Tamayo will get the foul. It is a 14 foul on recap. Yeah. Warning ha. Warning. Parehas warning. Tapasio will miss on the 2 free throws. Kaya mo muna sa recap. It is that. 45 seconds remaining. Carlos. Fake to Hernandez for 3 once again. It's a substitution from Kasak. Magandang IQ play from Javen Monterola, but siya muna ay aalis. It is got 35 seconds remaining. Mora, spin move, drop it, no good. Sanchez with the rebound. Sanchez to Francisco. Now if it turns out from Sanchez, and it's got the 19 seconds, pass to the corner, all to the baseline. Francisco, Tamayo, dribbling it out, all the way through for 3. There! Good momento para dito sa Rica, but Topacio is 3 seconds remaining. On to the last shot, Ramos! It's the end of the first quarter of this tune-up game and a score of 22-13. Still good of momentum para sa Rica. Nasa akin.
Ela desce, ela.
Medyo ilong mo yung press ng buzzer kapag timeout tsaka counter. Son? Now start on the second quarter mga kaibigan. This is an officially tune-up game between the Rica Academy Incorporated and Casap Rodriguez Campus. Now still on the second quarter, Topacio. Good pass on Aloro on the middle, no good. Rebound by Sanchez. Sanchez with the number 1. Let's take the fast break transition. Tuloy-tuloy pa rin ang run offensive mula dito sa Rica. Topacio. Drop it off and got it. Carlos. Fernandez. All the way to number 27 with a good Euro step. What an incredible play. Yes. Jump shot, no good. Ramos will get an offensive rebound. Drive it up on the inside. All the way to Topacio. Topacio, oh! What a move! And still ball possession para sa Kasap mga kaibigan. There's 4 seconds remaining. Ramos, 2 seconds. All the way to Peladio. Drop it up, no good. Still Sanchez. Good for a layup. Topacio, gandang depensa mula dito kay Ramos and screen by Mora. But Topacio with a good Euro step and interception pass again. Hernandez against the 2. Lays it up and they got it. Kalahati ang kalamangan mula dito sa recap. But turns out, Kasap will run out of coming in from momentum, takes the offense. But Ramos will still miss on the 3-point line. It is a substitution. Ipinasok na mismo si Vegas, Labrador, and Monterola. And Fugaban with a solid 4 mula dito sa Kasap. Hernandez. All the way through, coming in from Tamayo. Napakagulo na depensa mula dito sa Rica, pero ang ganda ng disensya. All the way for 3. But it turns out with the foul. And the foul on number 66. That one, 3 attempts from Hernandez. Another one from Hernandez in the second free throw. It's good. Grabe ang input ng recap dito, mga kaibigan. Umabot sa kalahati ang lamang. All the way on 17 points, leading coming in from recap. And the third chance on free throw. And it's a call of foul on Sanchez. And the both teams will first team foul. Labrador. Turns out. And a good drop. And it still doesn't count onto the shot. Pero nga nang may foul on number 15. And it is a second team foul mula dito sa recap. And a good defense coming in from Tamayo. Pass it on to the pass break, and it's good. 6-0 run mula dito sa recap. Fugaban. On to Labrador. Binigay mula dito kay Monterola. Big defense on Tamayo. Good screen. Finds Labrador inside, and a good drop, and they got it. Now Ramos. Good pass it. Carlos again with a good drive, and they got it. Now Labrador. Unti-unti mismo umabot ang diskarte ng Kasap sa kanilang opensa. Pero napakagat ang depensa mula dito sa recap, mga kaibigan. It's a 2-3-man zone. But Fugaban for 3. And still lessons from Maloro. And another turnover again para sa Kasap. Pasok. Awa na third 5 mula dito sa recap. And still wipe it. But turns out will call a backcourt violation from the recaps. Giro Labrador will take the ball. Good screen by Duenas. Labrador sasalaksak with a good skill layup is still in and out. Pero nakuha pa rin ng Kasap. And the two teams will coming in from another foul. Time out. I mean, still call a timeout from Recap Academy Incorporated. Ilan time? Isa na lang pa.
Your morning eyes, I stare like watching stars. I could walk you by and I'll tell.
Now, still back to the ball game after the timeout, mga kaibigan. Labrador finds inbound the pass on to Pagaman for 3. And a quick drop, pero rebound mula dito sa Ricab. Malasarte. All the way through to Guabes. A still good catch to Pabango. 13 seconds on the shot clock. And a good defense and another one called a 5 seconds violation. 13 ball dito. First. Now, is it out from Monterola. Good screen again from Buenas. But Raimundo will take the foul once again. It is a 4th-team foul from Ricab. Now, Mabalot with a good drop, good catch. Monterola won a jump shot. It's good. Nagsisimula pa lang na mainit-init ang opensa ng Kasap ng paunti-unti. And a score of 36-19. Wabes. Points pass on to baseline. Takes it for 3. Is still too short. And rebound coming in from Monterola. And this is stepping on the line. Ricab will take another possession. Alasate, good catch. No good. Kung ka na makakuha ng rebound, napakalakas ng pasa. And another turnover para sa Kasap. Mendoza's check-in. Mendoza's check-in from Mabalot. Wabes. Pabango. Benson and pass to Pabango. All the way through to Wabes once again. Wabes with a good drive and good drop. And they got it. Pangat sa 20 ang Kalamangan. And another turnover once again from Kasap. And it's a substitution. Onde will check in mula dito sa mild injury. Pasarte. All the way through onto the baseline once again. Pero nagkaroon ng intentional loose ball foul on Juan Pes. And there's a penalty. Grabe yung laro dito ng Ricab, mga kaibigan. At then, kung makabastan natin, sobrang kalat ng kanilang offensa. But when it turns out, kumukuha sila ng libre sa baseline with the catch and shoot. With the catch and shoot perimeter. At kumukuha lang sila ng pasa mula sa point guard with the dagger 3. Pero hindi lang basta-basta ang depensa dito ng Kasap, mga kaibigan. Unti-unti sila nawawala ng momentum sa depensa, pero kailangan nila magkaroon ng adjustment ang Kasap with the both plays of offense and defense. And it's still out from the tune-up game. Medyo tambak dito ang Kasap, mga kaibigan. Conde, onto Labrador, onto the corner. Bounce pass to Conde. Drive it up. Wala dito sa gitna. But Labrador with the catch. And it's still drop it. No. Pasarte with the last chance. And it's still from Kasap again na makakuha na possession. It's still a 14 seconds to shoot. Good follow-up by Buenas. Sabi nakuha ni Conde. Conde with a bounce pass to Monterola. And still on another foul from number 19. Juarez has been second personal foul. And he's still shooting 2 free throws for Javen Monterola. Yeah, follow up, second personal foul siya, no? One best. Monterola, perfect on the 2 free throws. Well back on 16-point lead. Wabers. Raimundo. All the way to Benson. Raimundo and good catch yung Wabes wala sa ilalim. At napakagad ng depensa ng Kasap dito mga kaibigan with a good steal from Monterola. Monterola with the layup and got it! And it's still counted as a foul. It is a foul on number 19. That was still bonus shot from Javen Monterola. And he got it. 38-25. And there's a 3 minutes and 40 seconds remaining. Malasarte. De Raimundo. All the way through to the baseline once again. And napakalakas. Nakuha ng offensive rebound but a calls foul on number 28. It is a second team foul from Kasap. Two shooting free throws from Aquino. Medyo unti-unti nawawala ng momentum ang depensa ng Kasap mga kaibigan. Onder. Gustong kumuha ng pass to Mendoza pero nakuha ni Masarte with the steal. A good pass to Montes. Masarte with the catch and shoot. It's still too strong. Venus will get on the rebound. But Quito will take on the rebound and securing on this possession. Now start on the defense Chan. Venus on to Quito. On there. Pass it on to the baseline for three. No. Mendoza nakakuha ng rebound. Mula dito kay Conde. Jump shot. No good. Raimundo with the fast break and a good pass. Now Kasap again. Still out of momentum. Will get the offense. Pero nakakuha na double team mula dito sa recap. Conde. Good spin. Good drop. No good. Masarte again. Benson with the fast break using a left hand. Time out. Yeah, time out. It is a timeout from Kasap. Grabe ang momentum ng recap dito mga kaibigan. It's a 6-2 deficit para dito sa recap and out of momentum para sa Kasap. Magbabalik tayo.
Ela desce, ela sobe, no baile é pressão. Mina linda, perigosa, rouba meu coração. Vai quicando, vai jogando, não perde a razão. No bate, bate, pura teta.
Ela desce, ela sobe, vai pressão. Mina perigosa, rouba meu coração. Ela desce, ela sobe, vai pressão. Mina perigosa, rouba meu coração.
This is back from the ball game after the timeout mga kaibigan. It is a 43-25 official score on a tune-up game between the two teams of Recap Academy Incorporated and Casa Rodriguez Campus. Conde, all the way through to Longay. Longay and pass to Mendoza. Too short. Magmumula sa recap ang possession. At ngayon na naman sila ulit. Napakalat ang kanilang offensa. Mula dito kay Malasarte. Third pass to Venus to Malasarte. And the first dagger 3 from him. Good run from recap. Now on Venus. Good defense. On the third pass to Mendoza and a foul. Foul again on Raymond Doyle. He's got the second personal foul. Still two shooting free throws from Mendoza. Penalty second team. All right. It is a 37 seconds remaining. Benson. A good pass on number 9 to Malasarte. Malasarte binigay mula dito kay Gueves. At goal on offensive foul from Raymundo. And he's got a third personal foul. And it's a 22 seconds remaining. Shot clock is off. On there. Binigay kay Venus. Pass to Conde. All the way onto the corner. And Ongay with a turnover. Gueves driving on the layup. No good. It is not 7 seconds remaining. 5 seconds. Conde onto the layup is good. Hindi na pumawi ang Kansas mula dito sa last possession. And this is the turn on to this first half with a score of 46-29. Still leading pa rin para sa recap.
Ela desce, ela sobe no baile. baile é pressão. Mina linda, perigosa, rouba meu coração. Vai quicando, vai jogando, não perde a razão. No bate, bate, pura teta.
Ela desce, ela sobe, vai pressão. Mina perigosa, rouba meu coração. Ela desce, ela sobe, vai pressão. Mina perigosa, rouba meu coração.
Ela desce, ela sobe, no baile é pressão. Mina linda, perigosa, rouba meu coração. Vai quicando, vai jogando, não perde a razão. No bate, bate, pura teta.
Ela desce, ela sobe, vai pressão. Mina perigosa, rouba meu coração. Ela desce, ela sobe, vai pressão. Mina perigosa, rouba meu coração.
Dalawa yung jab-jab ng laptop, sir. Dalawa yung jab-jab ng laptop. Abot ba? Wait lang po ba? Wait lang. Pagka ano na, pagka 20 plus na, 38 na to eh. At ayun, simulan na po tayo sa ating third quarter mga kaibigan. And this is the official tune-up game of at least two teams between the Recap Academy Incorporated and Jasap Rodriguez Campus. At ang laro na ito ay naduksatin ng EC Jersey, OPC Rizal, Razor Blade, and Bandwidth Internet Connection together with association and assistance of Metro Manila Hills Sports Community and of course, Clutch Sports. Salvacion on the first three and it's good! Grabe, simula pa lang ng third quarter. Second half, Salvacion rates it up in the first three, but Pugaman then takes off on the answer. No good. But the third sub, they call a technical from Recap. Medyo napainit dito si Maraka mga kaibigan. Sino? Si Maraka? Oh, 3 minutes rest. Oh. It is called an unsportsmanlike foul from swinging elbow from number 11 Maraka from Recap Academy Incorporated. And it is a sit down for 3 minutes. And it's a correction. No for sit down for 3 minutes at dahil yan sinabi. It is an official tune of game. And it's a substitution mula dito kay Maraka. But Kasap will get a technical shot and a bonus possession from Kenji Mora. It is a first free throw. It's not good. And it's still a 49-29 official score. 20 po ang kalamangan ng Recap. Mora will miss on the 2 free throws. And the ball possession comes to Kasap. Labrador pass to Pugaban. All the way coming in from Mora. Quick pass to Pugaban. Good screen by Duenas. But Pugaban, and it turns out the Mora wala sa ilalim. Still too short. Enriquez, binigay mula dito kay Ilarban. Pass to Enriquez onto the baseline. Duenas will get on the rebound. Pugaban against the 2. Drop it in the board. No good. But a good lays it up and a good dribbling from Enriquez. Pero nakakuha ng offensive foul from him. It is a first team foul from Enriquez. He's got a second personal foul. Second personal na yun, first team foul. Hindi, not counted sa team foul, pero first team foul na yun. Labrador, well, good catch on Pukaban. Pass it on Labrador, but they call a double foul. Foul on Kenji Mura, and it's still a foul from Salvacion. And it's a second team foul from Rika Bencasap. A spin first team foul, and Kenji Mura spin second personal foul. Labrador, all the way to Montemola, no good. And a good swinging mula dito sa Rika Academy Incorporated, pero napakalat pa rin ang kanilang opensa. Trying to take a double team from Kasap. Kilaran, all to the baseline. Power! Sakto lang. Pero di yung medyo pagkain nila, medyo against the line. Yung pwede dito. Third. All, Dapat din sa third team foul mula dito sa recap. Labrador, all the way coming in from Duenas, no good. Good rebound on Salvacion. Salvacion, and what a block coming in from Pugaban. It's a two-handed block, pero may sagot mismo ang recap. Salvacion again with the dagger 3. Ragas, on to Montemola, no good, and his jump shot. Kilaran, on to the Jesus Basto in the meters. Gustong bigyan si Salvacion ulit para makakuha sa baseline. Enriquez, good inbound pass to Sanchez. Sanchez to Enriquez, out to the corner for 3. He got it! Three out of 3 3-point field goals mula dito sa recap, mga kaibigan. But Montemola takes the answer. No good. Mora will get on the rebound. And a good move, and they got it. No good. Vegas. Not again. Montemola. On to Mora. And it's good. And it's called a timeout from recap.
Oh. Your morning eyes, I could stay.
I was still back to the ball game, mga kaibigan. Still good pass on Sanchez. Military 7 block and foul on the Vegas. And it's still 2 attempt free throws from Sanchez. And this is 6 minutes and 31 seconds remaining on to this third quarter. Sanchez on to the second. Pugaban, and attempting to spin. Labrador makakuha ng bola, binigay kay Monterola. Monterola with the drop pass and still again from number 1 to Enriquez. Enriquez with bounce pass to Kalaban. Enriquez with attempting to drive. But the turns foul again from Kenji Mora. He's got a third personal foul, 13 foul mula dito sa Kasap. Enriquez with the first throw is good. 60-60 lang. Enriquez again. And he got it. And look at the score mga kaibigan para sa ating tune-up game. 30-point lead para dito sa recap. Ecuador missed onto the inbound pass. This is substitution mula dito sa Kasap. Wala ba? And good steal by Mora. Bukaban lays it up and it's good. Dito, unti na nakakuha ng tempo sa prospect ng Kasap. Unti-unti nila natitipla ang kanilang gameplay chemistry. But look at this. Sanchez, half step against the tree with a goal sa Chumbo. And then Kasap will receives the dispossession. Tama Labrador. All the way through to Bukaban. Quick transition to catch and shoot. May nakuha ni Salvacion. Salvacion will pass. All the way coming in from Galaban. A good pass mula dito kay Jesus. Tingnan. And a good drive. Still recognized with another foul once again from number 1. And this both teams has third team foul mula dito sa ating tune-up game. Monterola touch it onto the corner. Binigay mula dito kay Labrador. Labrador. Katampasa mula dito sa gitna. Labrador with the layup is good. A good point on Sanchez. Sanchez will take, and this a not count from and the foul on number 14 is not the fourth personal 14 foul. Salvacion with the catch. Binigay mula dito sa baseline. It's still too short. And look at Aloro and Sanchez. And Sanchez will take the 10th foul. And still both teams we got the 14th foul. Sanchez has got the second personal. Labrador floats it. And Aloro with a good putback. And he's got the 3 minutes. Unti-unti nakukuha na momentum ang Kasap, but it turns out another foul from number 11. And it's still a penalty para sa Kasap. Still a good team on 2 free throws mula dito kay Jesus. Meso the second. Tama po mula dito sa kasap na paunti-unti nila nakukuha na kanilang momentum and good drop pass mula dito kay Mora. Montebola all the way to Aloro. And still missed on this play. And another possession from Kasap. It is 12 seconds to shoot. Aloro. On to Montebola. It is a 10 to shoot. Montebola with the drop pass to Mora. Jump shot is too short. Tama mo mula kay Salvacion. Salvacion will get all the way through. And a good defensive from Lloyd Cucaban. Tama ang Gilaban. On to the two free throws. Nagkaroon lang pala ng foul dun. It is a 63-37 official score. Tupaso, rektang double team mula dito sa recap. Pero napakagad ng depensa sa recap. Gilaban and good pass mula dito kay Malasante. Good assist. And another one still again mula dito sa recap. And foul ko ng Jensen Tupaso. Under 2-minute mark. Medyo naabawi ang kasap dun. Pero gandang sagot din ng recap ng maipasok si Jensen Tupacio. Nakakuha sila ng factor when it comes to take a double team advantage. Darren, what a good drive from Monterola. And look at this. Ramos. Good pass to Monterola. Good fake and good block. Pero nakuha ni Aloro. Ramos. On to Pasio. Another one from Keating, no good. Tamang Tamayo. And interception from Monterola. Monterola with the steal. Pero nakuha pa rin ni Sanchez. Pero nakapalitan lang sila ng interception pass. Malasante will get to secure the ball. And Monterola with the rescue. Lace it up and it's good. What a play. Yeah, 67 lang yan yung recap. 67 lang. And another foul again. Grabe yung pinakita dito ni Monterola mga kaibigan. Nagkapalitan lang sila mismo ng interception, takes the steal. Pero si Monterola ang kukuha ng sagot. But Raimundo, chance on the 2 points, gets to the free throw line. 69. Balik ulit sa 30 puntos ng recap. 1 minute and 30. Pelayo. Back to Papasio. Ramos. And a good quick pass. Napagad ng chip mula dito kaya Raimundo. Papasio with the catch. Turns the outside. Ramos, catch and shoot. No good. But with the foul coming in from Aloro, another one penalty. Aloro is got third personal foul. Pasok. Tatlo pa lang. Elis Tamayo on to the first is good. Patuloy pa rin na umaangat ang kalabangan ng recap. Now, still good, still pa rin mula dito sa recap. Palarca reverses. And a foul again on Benario. Now still 2 shots on Paracha. Paracha again on the second, no good. And coming in is Pasio. On still a good pass. Pasio again. Ibinigay mula dito kay Cainto, no good. Now recap with a chance. It's a 3v3 pass break pero nagkalusog na rin ng mga players ng Kasap. Ginaman with the open and it's hard. 74. Tapasio, what a good double team! Tamayo, hindi gamit. Pasio, another steal again from Ginaman, pero nakuha ni Ramos. And still a foul. Wala dito sa kita. May foul on number 26 penalty. Now still two shooting free throws mula dito kay Ramos, mga kaibigan. And still no good. At kung mamastan natin, mga kaibigan, 76-39, 33-point lead mula dito sa recap. Napakalaking factor ang ginawa ng recap sa pagbawi nila since first quarter on to the last 2-minute mark. Now on Giliman. Take the triple team, pero open si Maracha. Mula sa ilalim, Raimundo. All the way to Giliman. All the way coming in control. Pero jump! A good basket count from Giliman. It is a foul on Pelayo. At ngayon, masdan natin the last shot. Sabay ba? It is open. Pero teka lang. I-replay ba natin? Counted yun, di ba? At ayun na nga, mga kaibigan. It's officially counted ang ginawa dito ng recap. On to the final shot. And it is a score of 79-39. It is a 40-point lead from Recap Academy Incorporated. And still, mag-ayos po muna tayo sa ating unting troubleshoot. Magbabalik tayo.
Oh, what a day. Oh, what a day. Oh, what a day. Oh, what a day when we fell in love. Birds sang, people were gay. Oh, what a day. Oh, what a day. Your morning eyes, I could stare like watching stars. I could walk you by and I'll tell without a thought. You'd be mine, would you mind if I took your hand tonight? No, you're all that I want beside. I imagine we fell in love on that winter moonlight skies with you. I think I'll picture us with the waves, the ocean's colors on your face. I'll leave my heart with your air, so let me fly with you. Will you be forever with me?
At eto na mga kaibigan, balik na po tayo sa ating ball game with the start of the fourth quarter o sa ating official tune-up game between the two teams of Recap Academy Incorporated and Casa Rodriguez Campus. Recap will lead at this 41 points. Score. Labrador to Monterola, binigay kay Labrador. On to the corner. Monterola takes it for three. Too short. Dahil siya magmumula pa rin mula dito sa Recap. Malasarte. Good job. Is still too strong. At nakuha ng Casa. Pukaban will take on the rebound. Pukaban binigay kay Labrador. Pass na Monterola. All the way to Pukaban and catch and shoot. It's still no good. Medyo bahala na rin mismo ang catch. Ang gameplay dito ni John Lloyd Pugaban. At mula kanina sa first quarter, siya rin ang ating X-Factor onto the first quarter. What a good pass on Tamayo. It's still no good. Jimenez with the rebound. Monterola, shifty drive. Binigay mula dito kay Labrador in a good float, no good. Terenas in a good put back. Medyo mababa ang oras mga kaibigan. 39.8 para dito sa recap. Still good motion. Tamayo with a good drop pass to Carlos and the foul. Foul on Renz Babalot. And he's got a second personal foul. Now still two shooting free throws mula dito kay Carlos. Carlos again with another one. It's good. Alikulit sa 40 ang Kalamangan. On to the middle, double team situation. Pero Tamayo, ang ganda ng kabang. Pero nakuha ni Carlos with a tip. Malasarte itong Tamayo with a good play. Pero nakuha ng another putback. One recap, it's good. Monterola. And still a foul on number 19. Pabango has been second personal. Has been first team foul mula dito sa recap. Labrador to Monterola. Good spin. Ganda ng peke. Ibinigay mula dito kay Pugaban. Not good. And recap and still by Babalot. Third chance with another shot is good. Tawang Tamayo. All the way through to Papango. Number 10, Carlos. Back again on number 35, and still by Labrador. Bounce pass coming in from Pugaban and floats up. So good. Alasarte. Back on Carlos. Carlos will take and call the whistle. Another foul from number. And it's a foul on number 11. And it's a second team foul from Kasap. Pablos. Pablos and pass to Malasarte. Open for three. No good. Rebound coming in from Pugaban. Bondemola. Plus sa perimeter. Labrador catch and shoot. Got it! ¡40, 37-point lead. Tamayo, pass to Malasarte. Good screen by Labrador, pero ang gandang ng agaw mula dito kay Mabalo, pero nakuha ni Monterola. And Malasarte with the steal. Malasarte with the drop. And still a foul from Dorenas. Has been third personal foul, and it stays the third team foul. It is a two shooting free throws from Malasarte. Ivan, 6 minutes. Malasarte is good. Now all the way through, coming in from Mabalot. Pero napakagad ang depensa ng Wicca dito mga kaibigan. Mabalot and Pabango will get a control sa Jumbo. It's a good Rachel Wade to Tamayo. And good steal by Monterola. Monterola with the layup is good. Now coming in on 2 point from Pabango. Kasi Jojo kami ng bola para nakuha ni Dorenas. Labrador. Crossover. Turns back. Labrador will get past to Pugaban. All the way to Monterola. Labrador onto the corner. Sasalaksak. And it's good. Swabe naman ang layup na yun. Coming in from Jiro Labrador. Pero hindi biro ang kalabangan dito ng Wake Up mga kaibigan. He's got a 34-point lead. At gusto kabuli ng Kasap dito para mapababa ang kalabangan ng Recap. Pero napakagandang play sa pinapakita dito ng Recap is still extending the lead. Coming in from good play chemistry. Monterola, good pass to Mabalot. Good jump shot, it's good. Now 2 point, and look at this. Medyo napainit dun mismo ang Recap, and a good push from Evans. Mabalot will fall down. Now it is. And a double technical from 2 players of number 19, Papango. Papango is got a third personal foul. And another one from Reds Mabalot. It is got a third personal foul. And both teams will third team foul. Labrador on the float. Medyo napakalanganin yun. Pero nakuha, hindi mabalot. Throws it on the inside and no good on this putback. Wabes, binigay kay Benson. Wala dito kay Aquino, wala sa ilalim. May good kick on inside. And still, recap onto this another possession. Benson. Great transition na binigay mula dito kay Duemas. Benson, medyo nakalanganin sa pasa, Patakino. And it's a good defense from Kasap na paunti-unti. And it's a 7 seconds to shoot. Benson, a good job. Another one. Not good. Grabe naman ang iba na yun. And what a fade away on number 10. On the bola to Labrador. Good job pass to Terenas. Still good. Terenas again. Nakakuha ng rebound but on the bola with securing. On the bola with the cross move. On the bola with the shot. On the bola space. Pero nakabahalanganin na rin mismo ang pagdepensa dito ng Kasap. Nakakuha na ng konting-konting momento mga recap dito pero napakagandang by number 10 once again. #1952. Labrador. And still a good defense mula dito sa recap. A double back-to-back plays from Francisco mula sa driving layup na ginawa nun. Now on Pukaban. Missed. Terena spits again. And still on Pukaban. Ibigay mo natin ito kay Duenas. And he got it. Now on Francisco. Binigay kay Benson. Turns to assist. Bang! Hey, 93. Now Duenas. Stop. 54-93. 93. Oh, 54-93. Now on Monterola. Pass to by a Labrador onto the corner. No good. Bigay kay Boba. And a foul on Francisco. Still on penalty situation. Substitution. Now shooting 2 free throws from Kenji Mora. Another one free throw from Mora. Now Guabes. Ibinigay mo na dito kay another one. Aquino will miss the shot and another one takes it off. From Rebecca, then another one turnover at substitution na din sa Kasa. Two minutes and 5 seconds on to this fourth quarter. Now an Alobo. Alobo on the layup is good. Muling isang minuto pa sa ating tune-up game. Guabes. Good screen by Aquino. Benson for 3. Rebound from Alobo. Alobo will get catch on Conde. Ay bigay kay Mora. On the 2. Maloro pero nakuha mula dito kay Benson. Benson with a good save. Pero Kasa makakuha ng steal. On there. Good drop pass on inside. Aloro secure the shot is good. 33-point gap. Wala dito sa Kasa. Last 55 seconds remaining. Wabes. And still a rebound from Kasa. And Venus, pero still by Benson. Now and still another one from Aloro. Aloro will get in another foul on number 14. It's got a fourth personal foul. Apat na rin yan. Aloro with a good drop pero nakuha ni Francisco. That's been 30 seconds remaining. Wabers still dribbles the ball until the running of shot clock and still starting up the club at the fans of Recap, and that's it. Recap has win on the official tune of game with a final score of 93-60 against the Casa Rodriguez Campus.